Let's get this up rolling. Taco review time. So we are here at El Pollo Loco. Now this is in respect to my, I just spit all over this stuff. In respect to my sister-in-law, she said that they have birria tacos now that apparently are the business, and I have the family with me, so we're out here. Hello. So this is gonna be the Ramadan special for all of you who are practicing the month of Ramadan, the holy month of Ramadan. You know, I hope your prayers get accepted and your fasting as well. So let's see, we are currently at, hold on, where in the bejesus are we at? Typically I would be saying some bad stuff right now and Gurdon, but we have the kids in the car, so we have to keep things apart. We're at 8239 Topanga Canyon Road in Canoga Park, California. So we have the birria taco. Now, of course, we have our 3 rules, okay? The 3 rules are as follows. A, you're gonna go ahead and eat the taco just the way that it is. B, you're gonna go ahead and eat the taco with the hot sauce added to it. And number 3, you're gonna go ahead and do the whole kit and caboodle. Now, the kit and caboodle, we just have a jalapeno that my wife already ate half of it. Half of it, but this is a must. This is a must. You need the jalapeno. So let's get into this guy and see what's going on. So first reaction, this is a very, as far as birria tacos go, this is probably the most disappointing birria taco I've ever seen in my entire life. Hello. It's a crunchy birria taco, but let me move this out of the way. So if you take a look at it, I don't know, come on, focus. There's like, I mean, this is pretty, this is not great. What is this? Do you like it?
Try this one. It's hot.
Hold on, let me
that
just do
the birria. I think it's.
No, it's birria.
Oh, try this one.
Oh shoot! I just spilled all the. Whatever. This one doesn't look that great. Well, whatever. First one is gonna be the no frills. We're just gonna set it right now. Wow. That's a terrible taco. Do you like it?
It's okay.
Oh my god.
It's not the best, but I don't know if it's kind of big.
What is that? What are you drinking? I have some clothes on.
The consomme is not good either.
No, it's not. It has no flavor.
It has no flavor at all.
But my taco has flavor.
It's not bad. It's not good.
What?
You know,
Baba.
jalapeno spicy.
Baba.
John Bola.
My Taco Bell taco has flavor.
Yeah, dude, I would totally take your Taco Bell taco over this any day of the week. I don't know, maybe let me try it with the hot sauce.
No.
You know, they do have the sauce. If you're ever in the El Pollo Loco. Now, before we go into the scoring part of it, I love El Pollo Loco. I think El Pollo Loco is the best fast food chain taco place out of all of them. Better than, like, it's not even a competition between any one of them and El Pollo Loco. But this El Pollo Loco birria taco thing, maybe I just caught him on a rough night, but let me try with the haza. We gotta bust out the creamy cilantro. The creamy cilantro is the only thing that could save this. No, that's not it. If the creamy cilantro, this is a secret weapon. If you're ever at El Pollo Loco, you come and get the creamy cilantro, and then that usually makes everything so much better. If the creamy cilantro can't save it, nothing in this God green earth could save it.
Yeah. Were you pooping in your face? Were you pooping in your face?
Nothing could save that taco. I ate the whole thing, hoping, praying to God that it would make it better.
Pooping on your face?
That in the world of tacos in general, that's like a 2-5. That's the score. 2-5. El Pollo Loco. It's not. It's a, you do? It has nothing to do with.
I don't like the consomme.
I don't like any of it. It's just not good. Compared to the world of birria tacos, this is almost like a Like to the people out there that go into the street food vendors and like people who actually put time and effort into these birria tacos, because it's an art, it's a craft. It takes a long time to make these birria tacos. It's almost like a bit of a slap in the face. I've had some great ones. Watch my other videos. I'll go ahead and link some of them up there. 2.5 birria tacos. El Pollo Loco, you disappointed me on this one. But El Pollo Loco does have the best chicken known to mankind. I don't care who you are, they have the best chicken, and this creamy cilantro sauce that they have, El Pollo Loco, don't hold it against me, but this birria taco is not the business. Stick to chicken, man. That's what you guys know. Till next video, for up to 50% commission rebate on purchasing your next home, any mortgage assistance, we do 100% financing. We do all types of construction loans, your loans, everybody's loans. I'll do your mama's loans. And 0% listing fee. Link in the description below. Until next video, guys, I appreciate you watching. Thank you again. All right, kids, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go get a real taco.
Oh, don't forget to